Hi friend! Marian here, potentials.com, signing at our channel. Let's study God's Word. So, ang didakin natin today is miraculous. Miraculous, hindi miraculous. Hindi po tayo tongue-tied. Miraculous. Kasi yung story today is about milagros. So, yung Bible verse muna natin is from Galatians 4 verse 2 to verse 27. The woman who is all alone has more children than the woman who has a husband. So, why is the connection to our story today? So, si Mila Gross or Mila, Tita Mila ni George Gabriel, the storyteller for today. She takes care of all the family celebrations. So, she caters yung mga events for the family. So, despite being single, she took care of cousins and their children as if they are her own. So, she's a mother to everyone. So, yung name niya is Milagros. God's multiplies her love to fill a multitude, sorry. So, yung reflection natin, who is your Tita Mila? How can you be Tita Mila to others? So, there are people in our lives who are, sabihin na nga natin, like single, but they serve other people. So, para na rin siyang mother of everyone and provides inspiration, provides guidance, provides financial support. So, they are blessed by blessing others. Lord, thank you for the miracle of my mother. So, yan, si Mommy, kumbaga siya yung strength of the family. Talagang she makes sure, of course, my dad also, we were able to finish our studies, we were able to provide for our needs while we were studying, and kumbaga, na-bless naman tayo with the blessing na provide ni mommy siya ni daddy to us. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.